Congress's Vairamuthu, who was accused by multiple women of sexual harassment during Me Too movement, has now declared that he will be returning the ONV Literary Award, but not before a big controversy. Take a look.
Tamil poet and songwriter Vairamuthu is once again in the eye of a storm after he was recently conferred with the Literary ONV Kurup Award. In 2018, there were 17 sexual harassment complaints against Vairamuthu during the Me Too movement, accusations that he outrightly denied.
என் மீது சுமத்தப்பட்டு வரும் குற்றச்சாட்டுகளெல்லாம் முழுக்க பொய்யானவை. நான் நல்லவனா கெட்டவனா என்று இப்போது யாரும் முடிவு செய்ய வேண்டாம். நீதிமன்றம் சொல்லட்டும். நீதிக்கு தலைவணங்குகிறேன்.
Singer Chinmay Sripada has named Vairamuthu as a sexual predator and claimed that she was blacklisted in the Tamil film industry for calling out the famous poet.
He has always been somebody who has used his political power and his general power in the entire scene of art and politics to molest, threaten and silence women and force women to continue to work with.
After the prestigious award was announced, Chinmay, in a series of tweets, slammed the jury for selecting a Me Too accused.
They feel that as if it is a collective assault on all of them, and the men seem to find it very important to stand up for somebody who's openly accused. The point is, if you actually ask them privately, they all know that this man is problematic. But in public, they put up one collective show as if they stand by him and they support him. It's a typical old boys club.
And I'm so grateful.
And she found support from various quarters. Prominent among them was actor Parvati, who tweeted, "It was disrespectful to choose an alleged sexual predator for the award." After the outrage, the ONV Cultural Academy has now said that they will re-examine the award. Vairamuthu too has put out a video saying he would return the award and give away the 3 lakh prize money to the Kerala CM Relief Fund and contribute an additional 2 lakhs to the fund.
காழ்ப்புணர்ச்சி கொண்ட சில பேரின் குறுக்கீட்டினால் அந்த விருது மறுபரிசீலனைக்கு உள்ளாக்கப்படும் என்று அறிவிக்கப்பட்டிருப்பதாய் அறிகிறேன். நான் ONV கல்ச்சுரல் அகாடமிக்கே திருப்பி அளிக்கிறேன். எனக்கு வழங்கப்படுவதாக அறிவிக்கப்பட்ட பரிசுத் தொகை ரூபாய் 3 லட்சத்தை கேரள முதலமைச்சரின் நிவாரண நிதியில் சேர்த்துக் கொள்ள வேண்டுமென்று அன்போடு வேண்டுகிறேன். என்னுடைய பங்குத் தொகையாக ரூபாய் 2 லட்சத்தை கேரள முதலமைச்சர் நிவாரண நிதிக்கு தனிப்பட்ட முறையில் நான் வழங்குகிறேன்.
We're seeing now that Vairamuthu's family has come in his defense saying that he is innocent and that if anybody has any issues with him, then they should move legal action. Meanwhile, the 17 odd women who have made allegations against Vairamuthu at different times during the Me Too movement are claiming that their storyline is true, and many of them have even said that their livelihood has been affected after them making allegations against Vairamuthu. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.